If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, first of all, happy Easter. May this season bring peace, love and success to you and your loved ones. As usual, I'll cover all the lists that you can see to the right side of the screen, starting DXY, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, gold of course, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin and US30. Before we start, all of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. This is our YouTube channel, as you can see, it's We Trade Waves, and all our official links are in the description under this video. Now, regarding this one guys, last week some of you were commenting under the video, and by the way, thanks a lot for all of you are liking and commenting on a weekly basis, every single week. So, while I was reading the comments, one of you guys were saying if I can quickly cover Pound Yen and Pound O's. Yes, I'll do that for you this week at the end of the video. Make sure to keep watching till the end, and let's get started as usual with the XY. So for this one, most of you know that we're expecting dollar to fall, and dollar is falling as planned. Like I said to you before, Trump wants a weak dollar. This is actually part of the plan and part of the process. The details were covered during the Sunday sessions, the recordings, and even in the previous forecasts as well. If you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to go back and watch some of our previous forecasts. So, the dollar index, this one is falling, market is in a downtrend, and we can see more drop for dollar as well after the complete corrective structure. But again, this is the daily chart. We are using TradingView, as most of you can see, as a charting platform. Again, all our official links guys are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. You can check it by yourself. Regarding this one, that's the structure up, drop, corrective structure, drop. This up wave, again, this was explained in details in the previous forecasts, all right? So market is falling now. This is the downtrend and that's the drop. Do we think that this is the end of it? No. Now, if I go to the 4 hours here, just to show you something regarding the structure, from 110 market was falling. 110 was the perfect level predicted by us. We forecasted this level before, and most of our followers, they know that. Again, if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, do not miss any update, tip and move or any video in the future, okay? So, for this one, that's a downtrend. Market is falling, all right? Regardless of the reason, we know the reason. It was explained before, like I said. You can go back and check by yourself the videos on our YouTube channel. So, we've got the drop, we've got the pullback, we've got the drop, this correction here, drop. After this up, we've got this expanding flat as a corrective structure, drop. Contracting flat here, and then a drop. What is happening at the moment, Alan? Market is about to give us an up wave here. Remember, next week we have a few days off as well in the markets. So in this one, we will get this corrective structure, and then after that, one more fall will be coming. So dollar short term is up. If we want to buy this one, again, this depends on all the situation as well between China and USA. And of course as well, now we have more discussions regarding the war between Ukraine and Russia. So all of this will be affecting the markets, of course. That's why watching the Sunday sessions and attend the Sunday sessions will be very important for you. How to get access to that? If you don't know, again, the links are in the description inside under this video, and this is our website. It's wetradewaves.com. Those of you who don't know, right? So you can watch this one, check every page if you'd like to. And if you want to join us, you can always go to this one. You check it by yourself if you'd like to. You see the features, and if you want, you can check the FAQ section as well, and you take decision accordingly if you'd like to join us. Anyway, for this one, again, for dollar, we think that market will push to the upside first before the next drop. We need to see how far this will go, how impulsive this will be going to the upside before we take the next sell setup. For the dollar, we think that market is not ready yet to give us a big corrective structure, but the first move is toward the upside. Will this be one of our trades of the week or not? This will be covered by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. How to join? On the website, you can join us if you'd like to. All right? Euro dollar for this one is exactly the same. Market is about to give us a corrective structure again. One more drop is very possible. It can be corrective, or one more fall to break this low once more before the next up wave. This is still an uptrend. We think that market will push the upside more. This uptrend is very strong, and even the bigger picture shows us that one push up will be coming for euro. So one push up, it's not, we don't think that this wave is finished yet. We need a corrective structure here, one push up before the next structure. Pound dollar for this one, exactly the same. Market is pushing to the upside after this drop. By the way, this market makers framework, they took everybody out here for this up wave, with this drop, and the market is pushing to the upside again here for this one. What's next? The same thing. This is the daily. If I go to the 4 hours, you might see it in a clearer way. And this one, this is the next move, right? So that's the first move, I would say, of the next structure, which means one more fall as a corrective structure before the next upwave. We think that pound dollar will push to the upside after a pullback or after a corrective structure. From which level to buy, to which level you go for, this will be covered in detail tomorrow during the Sunday session. Like I said, for WTW Pro members, if you'd like to join, the website is in the description under this video. Gold for this one, market analyst is still pushing to the upside. Yes, after this upwave, you've got this pullback up, this corrective structure up, and this was the perfect buy setup again for gold. Market actually gave us this structure in the 1 hour. I'll show it to you. And most of our, I would say, followers who were following us, they know this setup, and it was again very good setup here. What is the setup? I'll explain for you here, and then maybe later if you see it, you will know it. Once you see something like that, as a double top formation, you should always know that market will break this top. How far, this is unknown, but especially once you see something like that and then a corrective structure, this is a buy setup. I have explained this here. All WTW programmers, they know that, and that's exactly the setup here that we've got for gold. All right, so this structure, this setup, it was a buy setup to us here. And then after that, market went to the upside without giving us any sell setup. It was very strong. Still, we have a lot of uncertainty between China and USA, between the tariffs, between the trade deals. Everything will be actually, I believe, it will get actually into a positive results, I would say positive ending in the near future. But anyway, this is my personal point of view. Let's wait and see what will be happening in the news, and let's follow. All the updates, guys, you will get it again during the Sunday session, during the Wednesday update by T. And again, if you want to know the details in the website, you can check it by yourself. But this is the setup, the buy setup for gold that was forming here. All weighted waivers, they know it. And by the way, this is our Discord community just to show you. Look how many success stories we are having. Bilal, I would say, was the start. And Bilal, again, make sure to take a break, enjoy the profits, and then after that, you can go back to trading. Yeah, well done. You have done a great job. Again, guys, the main goal for us is for our members to make money. That's all. And if you go and check again more success stories, you know, like how many success stories we're having during just the last 30 days. Look at this one. Lot of success stories. If you want to join them, guys, you know what to do. If even I go to this one, this is well Kunal buying gold from here at 3284, and then all the way up, he made 8K. Fantastic, Kunal. Very good job. So for this one, again, we've got this up wave and market is pushing to the upside. If you get into the sell, this was again a perfect sell. Again, this is only if you know the setups, guys, and you know how to trade. This was a trend continuation setup, by the way, to the downside. It was very good. 3-to-1 trade as well to the downside. Fantastic one. And then now market is pushing to the upside. What's happening, Alan? This is, guys, depending on the negotiation, depending on the deals, and this depending 100% on the geopolitics at the moment. So structurally, like I said before, gold is ready for a pullback and a drop, but fundamentally gold is up, right? So fundamental saying gold is up, technical saying gold is down. What to follow? It's not who will win or not. It's actually we need to follow what is happening in the news to know the direction. For now, everything is still the same. We have some positivity from regarding the trade deals, regarding actually the deals between USA and China and USA and Europe. As well, we have some good news regarding the war between Ukraine and Russia. All of this is not yet finalized, but we need to actually wait and see to know the directions. Again, it's the same thing. Technically, this is ready to fall to the downside. Even if I go to the upside to break the top, if you get a sell setup, if you are a technical trader, you can go for the sell setup. If not, you can wait market to give you a corrective structure to go for one push up. If market gives you the corrective structure similar to this one push up. What I will be doing, I will not be buying gold. I'll be waiting for the sell setups for this one. If you want to buy it, you go for it. We are at all-time high. Anytime this can drop, especially if you get any trade deal happening between USA and China. If we get that, you will see gold dropping. And again, more details regarding the levels will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session. Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the upside exactly after breaking this low. I'll go back to the 4 hours. And for this one, if we get a corrective structure, this is what we're expecting, market to pull back, to go down before the next upwave. This might be the start, guys, of the next big move. But before we go for the buy setups, we need a corrective structure downwards. Can you sell this? Of course you can if you know how to trade. Our strategies will allow you to sell this one if you know how to trade this one. If you want to learn these strategies, it's WTW Pro. New Zealand dollar exactly the same. Again, market might be correcting to the downside. If you get a sell setup, you can go for it. After the completion of this pullback or this corrective structure, you can go for the next buy setup. What's the difference between a pullback and a corrective structure? Pullback, guys, is one wave. Corrective structure is minimum 3 waves. This, it will help you a lot if you are a technical trader to understand the difference between a pullback and a corrective structure. Dollar yen for this one, market actually is about to give us one more push up. I'm looking for the buy setups here. Market is losing momentum and it's about to give us one more push up. If we get a buy setup, we'll go for this buy, and then again the levels will be covered by T tomorrow. You can join WTW Pro to get access, because one I would say trade or one opportunity can make you a lot of money. Dollar Swiss for this one, again, anytime market can give one more push up, and I'll be looking for the buy setups for this one. Any sell setup, it will be not important to me at the moment. If I show you the weekly chart, look where are we for dollar Swiss. We are under this low, all right? So anytime market can start to give us this buy setup, you should not miss this buy for dollar Swiss. Up is the move and up is the trade. Dollar CAD for this one, market is falling to the downside again. After this drop, if we get this up wave, another drop will be coming. First of all up, and then after that, if we get a sell setup, we'll go for this out. Which way to trade is up to you. First of all up, and then after that, another drop will be coming. US oil for this one, market is pushing to the upside. After this up wave, one more fall is expected before the next up wave, and this might be a complete corrective structure before the next fall. Again, the structure that we can see is this for now. Drop as a running flat, and then one more push up. After that, we will update you. Will this be one of our trades of the week? Again, this will be covered by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss it. To join, you know what to do. Bitcoin, this is actually a buy, especially after market is holding here. If we get this corrective structure, this is not a flag, by the way. This is actually a phase where the market makers will accumulate here before the next buy setup. Again, if we get a corrective structure here, up is the move and buy is the what we will be doing for Bitcoin. Most of you know we are biased to the upside, and Bitcoin can go all the way up to break this top once more. And this is a high chance move, by the way. Yeah, 30 for this one, market actually is moving, I would say, in a good way. If we get this drop here, I believe this will be pushing to the upside after this corrective structure. So buy is the move for EURUSD. Market is just giving us a corrective structure, and this will be a good trend continuation setup to the upside. From which level? Again, the levels will be very important, covered tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss it. If you want to join, you know what to do. And like I said, I am biased to the upside. I believe that the trade deal will happen between USA and China. It's just about the timing. And again, if this will be the corrective structure, do not miss this buy. All right, that's regarding EURUSD. Alan, can this fall to the downside to break this low? Yes, of course it can. We are not controlling the market. Even if this happens, do not miss the buy, because investors, they wait for these times. They wait for these opportunities to go for these buys. Okay, if you're a trader, it might be different, but still, buy is the move and buy is the setup. All right, guys, with that note, again, I wish all of you a happy Easter again one more time. And those of you who want to jump to the next level, and you want to join our successful traders, you know what to do. You join WTW Pro, and T will see all of you tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time, and I see all of you next Saturday with a new weekly Forex forecast.